Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Driving along the highways and suddenly you see beautifully colored idols of Ganesha selling. It means Ganesh Chaturthi, Modak and Ladoos are just around the corner, and for this purpose I have specially designed milk solids or ghee residue laddu. But before I give you the recipe, do go through the health benefits of milk solids and ghee residues. It's very important. And now these are the culinary uses of milk solids and ghee residue. Very important, isn't it? So never discard the ghee residue or milk solids. And these are some more sweets that I had made using milk solids or ghee residue. You can scroll back and view. Now let's start with the recipe. The fire, of course, any pan or skillet or kadai or wok, some desi ghee of course, and freshly grounded multi-grain flour. That is what I am using. You can use any other flour also. Now to roast it. Roasting this takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience and it takes a lot of stirring so that the flour does not burn. And in the meantime, take water in a pan from any natural source and add unrefined raw cane sugar or any natural sugar like brown sugar, palm sugar to it and make a syrup. Now stir. This is important. Do stir well and wait till the syrup comes to a boil. But before that, couple of crushed cardamom and clove, if you wish, add them and bring the syrup to a boil. When it does, switch off the flame and let the syrup rest and cool down a shade. In the meantime, continue with the multigrain flour till the color changes to golden brown like this and a very strong nutty fragrance fills the air. This means the flour is done. Now milk solids or ghee residue add to the flour. Now take peanut or any other dry fruit and ground to a coarse finish like this and add to our mix and mix well. When done, add the unrefined raw cane sugar syrup to the mix and mix and mix well. When done, grease a stainless steel tray or a thali and offload and spread the mix evenly on the tray or the thali and allow it to lose its temperature and cool down a little. When the temperature drops, divide into equal sized portions and roll them into golf sized balls and offer these milk laddus or ghee residue laddu to Shri Ganesh ji and to all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.